Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing a daily challenge. Today is it's easy Tanuki, and the hint will tell you mouse assignment. Can you just use as a user with more privileges? So it tells us this one is about user registration. So let's do our intercept. As always, you have persistent log, disable cache. Now let's register as always and see what exactly the form sent. So if I do gl on the email local.com, here password 123. Now let's see what exactly the registration it log you in. Now if I go to post request and before we edit, you can see the request it said and then we have the role there. This is not a mass assignment because the hint said it's not mass assignment. This one mass assignment is when it doesn't exist. So when this one doesn't exist and then you add it, that's why I call it mass assignment. This is not a mass assignment vulnerability, and then you can get a token. So if I do edit and resend, and I can just say create a new username, let's say one. I can do another email address. I can keep the password as it is, and I can change it, for example, to admin. So this is not mass assignment. It means this one is not there and you add it. So we add the field to ourselves. The field exists. This is just what vulnerability we can call this. I don't know what to call it. Any case, so if I send, I get new token. This is my new token. The request now new email, new username, and role admin. So we can just take this a new token that we have here. Control C, I can go to my storage there, and then I have local storage. I can just remove this one. I put my new one, and no, this one doesn't. Then just refresh the page, and now I'm get a new user, and I'm also an admin, and then we can get our flag. So this one, because the issue of the vulnerability is because the user was able to change capture the form and change normal registration should not have a rule there. It should be added by admin, but this one is the mistake for this room. And of course you got your flag for today. This is a straightforward room. Thank you everybody and have a good day.